Yo, what's up guys? कितना सारे welcome back to another video. Today I will show you exercise number 1. In my file this is exercise number 1. I am also taking Solidworks training. First we will take this center rectangle. You can see this is center rectangle. Take this and then select these two lines and press equal. Then we will give it dimension. It is 125 mm. Then we will make a polygon of 12 sides as shown. See, if it is underdefined after giving it dimension, it means it is not coincident from this side. First press escape and drag it. You can see this is not coincident. Then press Ctrl and select this line and this point and make it coincident. Now you can see this is fully defined. Now we will look. Now we will draw a polygon of 6 sides. See, it should be coincident from this side. Sorry. Please wait. Now we have to take line and from this point and from this point, from this point. We have to draw it like a diamond. See, it is not coincident. Press Ctrl, select this and this point and make it coincident. Now we have to go to this offset entities, type 60, enter and select this line and select this reverse, and you have to select this and extend entities, go to and extend this. This error will occur, but after some time it will be okay. In the end I will also tell how to do this correct. Now it is over defined. Now we will go in this diagnose. It is finding solutions. It will take some time. Now see, we have to delete this and done. This was exercise number 1. So bye guys.